Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the last vlog of the year. We're just coming from my mom-in-law's place. Baby.
Hi, baby.
Come say something to my people. So we're just coming from my mom-in-law's place and our bag is still on the table. Like, bring your sweet head here. Our bag is still on the table and I just had to talk to you guys, Sha, and give you guys updates about this, my Igbo husband.
Well,
So baby, just say something so that, like, just greet my people.
welcome and welcome back to our channel. And this is a very beautiful afternoon, the last day of 2023, and I hope you guys are set to move into 2024 with speed, grace, favor, unlimited.
Yeah.
Just be rest assured that this year, 2024 is going to be a better year.
Amen.
Okay, and don't forget that I'm the prophet that prophesied into your life. That he's gonna be. So keep my tithes intact.
Prophet master.
Love you guys.
Anyways, guys, baby, come now, my love. Anyway, guys, if you've not gotten land or properties in capital city, I wonder what you're waiting for. Check the link in the description box. You're gonna see a phone number there that you can DM and WhatsApp for all your landed properties. Am I right?
And houses as well.
So you can go, baby. Let me talk to them. So, guys, today's the last year and last day of the year, and we are so grateful to God for bringing us this far. And yeah, we are 7 months plus now, right, in marriage. Oh, we are getting older. We're 7 months plus now, and it's something to be really grateful for. So we'll be going for crossover night. I know that some churches don't believe in crossover night, but we believe in crossover night, so we'll definitely be going for crossover night. And if you are among those churches that believe in crossover nights, please do well to go. Make sure you pray. Go and cross over your problem. Go and cross over to your prosperity. Go and cross over to your joy. Go, like, just leave your problems and your backwardness behind, okay? And if you don't know, we attend Salvation Ministries, and the crossover is gonna be a bomb. You know, Salvation Ministry, they don't really allow us to do vlogs there because it's written boldly, like, no using of cell phone. No using of cell phone in the church, you know. So definitely once we get to church, we're gonna select. So guys, my phone went off, okay? So I was not able to finish it. So we just on Gen and I just powered it. I said, let me come and finish this video because inside is already like dark and gloomy. You guys understand what I'm saying. Anyways, so like I was saying, they don't allow us to vlog in the church, but probably, hopefully, and now I go pass. So no. Probably, hopefully, I am going to get something, fix my hand on something, okay? So another thing again is for the whole of 2024. In fact, the year 2024, I want to be posting videos every day. Yes. I want to be posting videos every day. See, I'm not seeing the possibility of this thing failing because, like, I've already made up my mind. Like, I just want to know what I can achieve that 2024 because I've seen people that consistency on their channel work for them. And trust me, I've been posting from 1st of December till date. Like, the way I'm seeing it, like, is that stressful. It's not that stressful like the way I'm seeing it. I don't know how I'll put it so you guys understand. Like, when you've not started uploading every day, look like it's stressful, but now I just feel like it's not stressful. All what you need to do is to bulk shoot your content, schedule them or unlist them where you want to unlist them on your channel. Like me, I do unlist. When I want to upload, I unlist. So that whenever you want to just release them, you just go ahead and just click on public and they will just go public. You guys understand? And with this few consistency like I've did on my channel, I can't even lie, I'm seeing a whole lot of improvement, a whole lot of subscribers, okay? See, I'm supposed to be more than 12,000 subscribers now, but you guys should help me and warn YouTube. I don't know what I did to YouTube. YouTube keep bringing down my subscribers. Like, these subscribers are legit subscribers. These subscribers are not subscribers that I bought or they are coming, like I told them, oh, go and subscribe. Like, I posted a short, I got a short, my shorts at least got some point 4,000 something, 1 point something, and I woke up one morning, I was seeing 11,998 subscribers. Then the next day I got to 12,000 subscribers. Before I know, that afternoon YouTube dropped those subscribers to 11,800, 11.8k. I was thinking it's going to end there. YouTube dropped the subscribers again to 11.7k. Before I know, I'm seeing 11,760 something subscribers. I was like, what did I do to YouTube? Why is YouTube removing the subscribers? Because the videos are showing that these subscribers are coming from those shorts, especially those shorts I posted, and that video I did on how much 1,000 subscribers, I mean how much YouTube pay me for 1,000 views. Those subscribers were coming from there, okay? And it's been recorded there, and to my greatest surprise, YouTube just took down those subscribers. This lady complained about this team before. What's the name of that lady? I've forgotten her name. I watched her, but I've forgotten her name. She complained of the same thing of YouTube removing her subscribers. She not knowing reasons why YouTube are doing that, and now YouTube visited me with this same act of removing my subscriber. It was so painful, trust me, because by now I should be like 12.1k subscribers, or at least 12,000 subscribers. So they just removed the subscribers and everything. I can't lie, my morale went down. I was a bit angry, but I don't have a choice. This is a job I've signed myself on, and I must continue my job. Like, we move, okay? I just told my husband that, like, we're celebrating, you understand, before we know everything just go down. So I told my husband, don't worry, we move, we'll definitely still get there, no matter what YouTube is trying to do, okay? So we'll definitely get there. So that is it. And back to what I'm saying, I'm going to be posting every day. When I mean every day, like, my hand is paining me, guys. It's not easy to shoot outside. I don't want to bring tripod here. I'm going to be shooting every day. Like, I'm going to be uploading videos every day. Basically, it's just going to be every day of my life, and I'm going to be ending New Wife series. You guys know that New Wife series just ended, and I'll be doing living with an Igbo man, or life with an Igbo man something series, okay? So that series is going to be 365 series. So I'm going to be starting that series from like series 1, series 2. So even if I upload a sit down video, I'm going to be uploading sit down videos, but it's not only going to end there. I must definitely still post vlogs, okay? And this is me trying to like target myself to 2024. I want to see what 2024 can actually achieve from YouTube 2024. Just this vlogmas that I did, this December vlogmas that I did, it has been like, I've seen a whole lot of improvement. Aside the subscribers, even in terms of the revenue, like, is a bit step up for me, okay? Like, I'm so grateful, and I'm so happy. And of which, if you ask me if I'm going to be trying vlogmas again, I'll be like over and over again. So that's, I just want to challenge myself to see if I can post video for the whole of next year. I know it's definitely not going to be easy, but I just have to like challenge myself, okay? I've drafted the challenge, and I'm going to try my best. I just pray I don't get to see any unforeseen circumstances, and of which I don't pray to see any. So definitely videos will actually be going up. So let me know about your thoughts, what you think in the comment section. And if you're a small YouTuber, okay, small YouTubers like us, advise you to also start having that mindset of consistency on your channel, okay? Aside consistency, I also have to like know how to improve with my shooting of my videos and editing of my videos, even in terms of my camera. I know that, yeah, I use phone for now, but like you guys can see, as I'm standing outside, you guys can hear me, you guys can see me. Like, I don't even mind, I'm shouting, like, I'm on top of my voice right now, but I don't mind. I don't mind if my neighbors are hearing me. I don't mind if people that are walking are hearing me. Like, I don't care. All what I need is, I just want to put that consistency spirit on my channel, and let me see what God is going to do for me in 2024, okay? So if you're this kind of person that wants to give up on your YouTube channel, see, I always advise you, don't give up on your YouTube channel, okay? YouTube is a platform that definitely you're going to enjoy. It's just a matter of time, okay? So this is basically me just advising you. I'm not pushing you, I'm advising you, because nobody pushed me, okay? So I don't even have strength to come and start pushing someone and be like, you must do it, you must do it. Like, even my sister-in-law, when I was telling her, oh, do YouTube, and she'd be like, YouTube is not my thing. I say, no, Allah, I don't get strength to shout. I don't get strength to push anybody. It's not your thing, it's my thing, okay? Even some of my sisters, some of my friends, I try pushing it, like, oh, try do YouTube. They'll be like, oh, YouTube is not that thing. I'll be like, okay, no, Allah. But if you're already on this platform and you're watching this video, looking at me like this, you're about to give up on your channel. Don't give up on your channel, seriously, okay? Just try to apply that spirit of consistency. The views might not be really encouraging, because even myself, the views are really not encouraging, but I just want to see what 2024 can actually generate for me. Then at the end of the 2024 vlog, by the special grace of God, I'm going to now do a general revenue analysis, how much YouTube pay me for 2024, okay? And back to those my videos I was talking about, I'm going to be uploading some of how much YouTube pay me for on this, on that. I'm also going to be including them here and be doing them. Definitely, I'm going to be uploading and be doing them as well. But no matter what, either one video or 2 videos will go up in a day. I also try in as much as possible to create shorts, because I noticed that shorts that me and my husband are doing is really going fast. Even on my Instagram page, I got a shot of 100 and something K. Like two of my Instagram reels are 100 and something K, and like a lot is just happening this December, and I'm so happy. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yeah, with no further ado, I do like I always say my videos. Good evening. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Mwah.